guys, welcome back, and today I've got to show you this beautiful handmade Christmas decoration that you all can make. Now this was really easy to make, so we just needed some cardboard, we needed some bamboo sticks, we had some beautiful Christmas wrapping paper that was £1.50 for 10 metres, that's good. Some greenery to add to the front and a little bit of polystyrene. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So this is our beautiful paper, and all we're going to do is turn it over. Then I've also printed off some letters off the computer just to make the actual word. So we're going to cut these out. Now we're going to glue them actually down onto the paper. Just go over the letters, then turn back over and place down on your paper and leave it there until it's completely dry. Now it's dry, we're just going to cut it out. Now we're going to cut these out individually. Next we're going to glue the letters onto the board, but this way around. Now leave to dry. Next we're going to cut these out. Now we roll our paper back out, and then we're going to glue down our letters. Leave a bit more of a gap in between each one. And leave to dry. Now that they're dry, we're just going to cut them out. What we're going to do, we're just going to cut round the edge, but leaving a gap all the way around. So we're going to cut a little bit out all the way around there. So your left ones like this. Do that to all of them. Next, all we're going to do is anything on a curved side, I'm just going to put a little nick in with the scissors. Anything straight you can leave, but anything on a bend, just give a little snip. Then what we're going to do, glue all the edge, and then we're just going to fold it on itself. Fold all around, keep going till you go all the way. So that is how it looks after we've put all the edges in. So anything that has a corner, just put a little snip on there, so then you can fold these in as well, like that. And leave to dry. Next I got some bamboo sticks. Now these were 100 and I think they were about £1.99 and they were from Amazon. So I've got these, and we're going to need about 9 of them, and we're going to paint these white. Once we've painted them white, if you've got a tiny little bit of foam, then you can just place them in there and then let them dry. So next I've got a piece of polystyrene. Now I've actually painted it white as well. I've given it 2 coats. And we're going to place our letters on the actual polystyrene, or styrofoam if you're in America. We'll place them on there, like that. And now with our little skewers that we use, we're just going to poke a hole in each letter at the bottom. As it's corrugated, then it should go in really easy. So we'll do this to every letter. Now it's time to cut the skewers. Now you can cut your skewers to whichever size you want. If you want them smaller, if you want them larger, it's your choice. But the way that I'm going to do mine, I'm going to place mine over the styrofoam. I'm going to use my scissors, and all I'm going to do is just score the side here, and then it's easy just to break off. So I'm going to do that with all of them. So now that I've lined up all my Christmas letters with another little skewer, all I'm going to do is poke a hole in each one of these at the bottom of the letter and wherever the stick is. So place your letters into the little holes that we've just made. Right, now we're going to decorate our beautiful base now. So I've just cut some of these off my Christmas tree. I've got 4 of them. And so I just snipped them off with a pair of scissors. And so I'm going to find about the middle, which I think about there. And now you can either stick these into the polystyrene and bend them, or you can use the glue guns. But I'm going to use the glue gun for this one. I've got these little pine cones I can put on, but if you haven't got anything like this, then if you do go out and have a walk, and you can pick yourself some little pine cones yourself, you can get plenty of them, or you can get some larger ones and bring them back and paint them or spray them, which is a good idea as well. That will match. So I'm going to put these on. A tiny little bit of extra foliage. Now I have some nicely little red berries. I've got some little extra decorations just to put on. Now as it's polystyrene, I can actually just push these in. Same again on the other side. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video and I told you on how easy it is to make. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. But if you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing. And then don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all. And then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.